So now it's going to be sort of like a race. Who can make their drips drip the fastest? Okay, ready? There you go, Marley. Now hit it hit it on the pad. I mean your cloth there. There you go. Marley's ahead of the group. Okay, who's going to be second? Here comes Elizabeth. Ready to drip. Yeah, you are now. You are. Okay, Jessica, force it. Maybe. Try it the way you have it. Yeah, because your drips are actually working pretty good. We don't need it to be equally spaced or anything, right?
And a beautiful setting.
Yeah.
We're going to end up with bruises across our thighs tomorrow. My thighs hurt.
Bottom and do some drips down there too. Nice. Oh, pretty.
Way to think about like adding dimension, but not having to focus on it in the very beginning, and you just kind of follow the lines with that.
Yeah,
it's a neat way to
glad you like it. All a learning process, right? Be sure to guard your pieces. And by the way, the clip, once you end up in the sky, this clip will leave a big white spot. So you might not want to have the clip when you end up towards the sky part. It works, it really does. Yay.
Blobs, and I smeared them, so now they're just bigger blue smear blobs.
Here's our first signer of the day. Marley goes for it. Second signer of the day. And there's a bear. Very nice. Okay, third signer of the day.